woke up to frost on the ground. Hello, and here we are again. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Jasmine McDonald, and if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Today is Friday, October the 28th, and I am going to go take Elsa on a walk. I had a last minute cancellation this morning, so I have some free time before my first class at 1. So I'm A, gonna go take the dog on a walk, B, shower my hair because it needs to be washed, or shower so I can wash my hair. B, I already said B. C, I'm also going to take my coffee to go and sit at the pier with my coffee with the dog in the morning. And D, there was snow outside. So yeah, I'm just gonna do very quick skincare before we head out. I wasn't going to, but then I was like, well, it's pretty dry outside, so I should put some moisturizer on. So I'm gonna just wash my face. Today I have classes from 1 until 6:30, and then I have our neighbors coming over. So that'll be fun. They're gonna watch a scary movie with me and Steve. That'll be nice. Steve doesn't like scary movies, so I basically have to force him to watch them, and it's almost Halloween as well. That's the other thing. Since it's almost Halloween, at dance we've been doing a lot of fun things. Last night the girls dressed up. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a couple of them dressed up for pointe and ballet, and I got the cutest video of them with the little butterfly wings and everything and the tutu. One of them actually dressed up as me, which was so hilarious. She came in with the red lipstick, the claw clip, the tutu, the tights over the leotard. I was dying. It was so funny. So I'm definitely gonna have to shout her out on my TikTok. So it was so funny. I'm just gonna go, my to-go cup's in the car like I mentioned, so I have to go get it. I really don't want to because it's cold outside, but I guess that's just my warm-up to go outside. You know, just a little step, dipping the toes in the water. Also, when I got home last night, the house was 16 degrees. Yeah, it was that cold. And I was like, Steve, I'm turning up the heat, what the heck? I'm gonna head out. I'm also going to brush my teeth before I have my coffee.
Today, my original plan was to actually walk down to the pier, enjoy my coffee first thing in the morning, then go back home and have breakfast, but life had other plans for that today. I had some mail that I had to attend to, and it was really important, but also really stressful, so I got that dealt with first thing in the morning, and it had to do with financial things, and honestly, I have the worst anxiety around money and financial things. So I called my mom and went on a really, really long walk. I think we walked for around 2 hours. I mean, I just really needed to get some air, to clear my head, and talk to my mom, who's my best friend, and she's the best listener in the world and also offers the best advice in the world. So thank you very much, Mom. There were lots of tears, but she helped a lot. Then I had breakfast and then got ready to do a little bit of a ballet class.
Okay guys, so I just got back from my walk and I tried to record this part already, but of course my camera deleted it. Just an amazing day, can't you tell? Yeah. It's already 10:30 and I have had a not so amazing morning. I was going to take my coffee out to sit on the pier with Elsa and enjoy it there, but I got some mail today on top of the other mail I already got. So that was just stressful. And I've not been having a good mental health day. Full transparency, I posted on my Instagram already that I'm like, you know, but I think that's important to show because I only share with you guys my happy moments of my life, my, you know, best moments, which I choose and curate to show to you guys. But in reality, we all have bad days and it's okay to cry and it's okay to feel those emotions and honor your emotions and to remember that you're human first. So I guess I'm just saying, guys, it's okay to have bad days. We all have them, clearly, but what sets us apart from just living in bad days and wallowing in our sorrows is picking yourself back up and trying to find happiness again in the things that you love, you know? Me right now, I need to dance. That's like, I talked to my mom already and that made me feel a lot better. Cried it out with her, she listened. Steve's away today, so he will be back by the time I post this vlog, but yeah, I guess just not having anybody to talk to at first when this happened, I was like, oh my God. So I immediately called my mom, like who wouldn't call their mom and things like this. So I called her, she made me feel a lot better. I still feel like I have to cry a little bit, but I'm gonna go dance. And if I have to cry, I'll just let it happen, you know? Just let those emotions go. Just let it happen. So I'm gonna go dance and I'm going to go live with you guys at noon because I think that'll just make me be in such a better mood. If you're not following me on TikTok already, that's where I'm going live. It is JASSSOME. I'll put it right here. But yeah, I'm gonna go get changed, put on my favorite Leo. I'm gonna keep on these pants because they're so comfy. And then I'm gonna shower because I was supposed to shower a while ago and it's already 10:30. And I could pick myself apart and be like, oh, you didn't vacuum, you didn't do this chore. But you know what? It's been a terrible day and I'm not afraid to say that, you know, at first when I started my YouTube channel, I was like, I felt like I couldn't show my personality, couldn't show my struggles. I feel like the more that you guys see that, the more connected you feel to me. Feel me? So I don't know if this was even something I should put in the vlog. I'm probably gonna cut it out in the end anyways, because I look disgusting and I'm acting disgusting. But you know what? I'm gonna go dance and that's gonna make me feel less disgusting. Anyways, guys, I love you all. And you guys make my day a whole lot better. I just finished filming a bunch of TikToks and Instagram Reels for my pages. I just like to film them when I'm all dressed up and before I shower so I can shower after and get less stinky because my shoes smell. So yeah, I just filmed that and I just realized I only have 15 minutes until I'm going live on TikTok with you guys. So I'm probably just gonna stretch and I'm gonna stay in this. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of fun to be in this over TikTok live. I feel like when people scroll, they'll be like, whoa, it's a ballerina. Because usually I just wear like my sweats and people are like, oh, it's just another girl doing a live. But I don't know, I think it'll catch the eye more. Is of course my custom that I got when I was in ballet school. These shoes are Gator Minden. I always roll my tights up because I find when I wear tights, the shoes tend to slip off more, and this Leo is from Yubico and I love it. It's in one of my previous leotard hauls and it's all red velvet and it's definitely my favorite one. And I need to wear my most favorite Leo today for a not so great mental health day. So yeah, I also put on some lipstick. I'm just gonna wait around until I go on live, I guess. So I just had lunch and I watched more of Love is Blind. I meant to shower, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna shower at the end of my classes. I know it's kind of gross because my hair is greasy, but there was really no point in showering now because I just get sweaty again because I'm teaching workout classes all day. I'm still wearing the same Yumico and then I just put on these shorts to be a little bit more comfy instead of tights. And I have my class in 15 minutes. I just had a shower.
As you guys know, I'm a dance teacher, so Saturday mornings I start bright and early at 9 a.m., which means I wake up around 7 a.m. and I leave the house around 8. After I was done teaching, I went to Costco to do a little bit of grocery shopping and noticed all of the adorable Christmas things that they had out. I absolutely had to buy these Squishmallow ornaments because, as you guys know, I am obsessed with Squishmallows. If you have not seen how many Squishmallows I have, go check out my other vlogs because I think the count is getting close to 20, which is kind of insane, but literally every time I want to get something to treat myself, I'm like, I'm gonna get a new Squishmallow. And my bed is full of them. When I go to sleep, I am just covered and on top and surrounded by Squishmallows, but they're the best cuddle buddies, aside from this fluffy dog and my fluffy cat who is attacking my feet as I do this voiceover right now. She's not the adorable cuddle cat that you see in these recordings. No, she is attacking my feet and biting them. If you hear her meowing in the background or biting, yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, I got this at Costco. Why is this so fancy? I'm pretty sure this is a suction cup thing, I'm guessing. Like what? It came with a whole... Are you kidding?
Steve got back home Saturday night, so we spent the morning together. We went to the next town over, or the next city rather, and we got breakfast out. At this restaurant, we thought they had brunch. They served brunch until noon, and we got there around 2, so we were a little sad at first, but then not that sad after, because look at his lunch. He got this giant pineapple stuffed with rice and pineapple, and I think it was teriyaki with chicken. It looked really delicious. I got myself a salad and fries because there was nothing vegetarian on the menu aside from quesadillas, and I wasn't feeling like a quesadilla that day. Then we went to Winners to window shop a little bit, get some Christmas ideas. I really like the look of the trees and the wreaths that look like they've actually been snowed on. The realistic looking ones. I think it looks so pretty when it's in a home and almost ethereal, which is the goal. And these candles were so gorgeous as well. This cup was adorable because my mom and I absolutely love Marie. She's so cute, and my mom is basically Duchess and I'm Marie, because we're princesses and we're the cutest cats in the town. We also got this couples quiz game, which was very telling, may I add, and also very fun. Then I made some soup for dinner. It was butternut squash soup, which you guys have seen me make this before in previous vlogs, and it was really good.
Hello guys, and happy Halloween! Today it is Monday, October 31st, and I'm teaching one more class tonight because obviously I'm not going to be teaching the evening because all the kiddos will be trick-or-treating, so there's no dance classes tonight that I'm teaching, so I end at 4. But it is around 11:50 right now. I'm going to do a quick ballet class for about half an hour. Steve is back home. He was away last week for work, and it's so nice that he's home. However, I will say I was much more motivated when I was home alone to create content and YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me, go check me out on Jassome. It's Jassome for Instagram, Jassome for TikTok. But otherwise, nothing really much has happened since I saw you guys last. I went to Costco on Saturday. I guess I taught classes. Steve's back from work, his work trip, and I'm gonna go do a ballet class now. I just finished a personal training session, and like I said, it's 11:50. I'm gonna do ballet class since it's Halloween, handing out trick-or-treating. That's pretty much it that's happening today, and that's it. That's literally it. It's not that interesting. So the leotard that I'm wearing, I know I've worn so many times, but it's Halloween, and I just feel like it's very fitting because it's black and lace and kind of Elvira-esque, and I don't know what I'm gonna dress up as for Halloween today, guys. Because I'm handing out candy, I figured I could just do like a mask, but now that I've been more inspired on TikTok, I think I'm gonna try like some skull makeup or something. I also wanna try to do Taylor Swift's bejeweled makeup. I think that would be really pretty because I have all the colors for it. I don't have all the jewels to put on it though, so I might just stick to the skull idea today and draw it on with some eyeliner and some eyeshadow. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do ballet class. And for those of you who don't know, I work at Flex Space Studios, teach some classes there, an intensive. Now this Wednesday, this entire week, Flex Space is actually doing a charity event where we teach our classes and half of the proceeds go to charities, and it's pay what you can. So if you wanted to donate like $5, you can donate $5, pay what you can, but half the proceeds do go to the charities. And this week I'm teaching a bar fit class on Wednesday. So this vlog will go out Tuesday. So if you want to join me for bar fit at 6:30 p.m. Wednesday night, I will put the link in the description down below, and it's pay what you can. Literally pay whatever you can for the class, and half the proceeds go to a good cause. Without further ado, let's get into a ballet class because I need to move.
Yogurt.
I'm happy you're home.
Me too.
That's that's totally going in the vlog.
Guys, look at what one of my students gave to me. How cute is that? Oh, there's a hair stuck on it.
Now you guys might be wondering, Jasmine, why are you wearing only one leg warmer? And to that I say, fashion choices. Just kidding, it's because I did something to my Achilles, which is another reason I haven't been vlogging lately. I think my Achilles is just overworked because I've been posting a lot of TikToks and not warming up doing them. So yeah, I am going to warm up before I make TikToks, which is why I'm doing ballet class right now, which allows me to warm up. I don't need a leg warmer on this side because quite frankly, ankle isn't bothering me. I might switch sides though, because I find this ankle does tend to bother me sometimes, but we'll see. We will see. We shall see. So yeah, I'm just gonna do ballet class, and obviously I'm listening to Taylor Swift's Midnights while I do the ballet class, and I've kind of fluctuated as to which song is my favorite. And before, it used to be, my favorite song used to be Snow on the Beach, and then it turned to Mastermind. Now I'm obsessed with Bejeweled. Question was always my favorite. Yeah, I really like the song Question. It's one that I can turn up really loud while I'm driving, roll the windows down and jam. So yeah, comment down below what your favorite Taylor Swift song is on the new Midnights album, even the 3 AM version with the new tracks. So